Kipulit jong ka Meghalaya ringkat kisan ngut kinong penyap ya Raja Raghuvanshi mentaka step kila poi ha arliang riat ban penlong ya kajing tokit ha kajaka bala penyap ya Raja Raghuvanshi lani ka crime scene reconstruction ya kini kajing tokin on penyat ka hon special investigation team ha kajing alam jong uba Herbert Kharkongor SP Shillong City ringkat kajing dan jong kisan ngut kinong penyap kasonam Raghuvanshi u Raj Kushwaha u Akash u Vishal pad u Anand.
কোন গাড়ি উজ্জ্বল কোন গাড়ি
and then came back to Ghazipur, where
কোন গাড়ি উজ্জ্বল কোন গাড়ি উজ্জ্বল কোন গাড়ি কোন গাড়ি উজ্জ্বল কোন গাড়ি কোন গাড়ি উজ্জ্বল
Raghuvanshi was murdered. His body was thrown 450 feet below. It's a 3-layered gorge. It took the NDRF and the SDRF as many as 11 days to trace his body, and then the search continued. Weapon with a machete that was later recovered from the crime scene, that was recovered from a nearby area from where Raja Raghuvanshi's body was recovered.